Through this screencast recording, I want to demonstrate the skills that I've acquired as a graduate assistant under Dr. Wu and how to locate, retrieve, and organize references effectively using a program called RefWorks. So here I am at the Winston-Salem State homepage, and if I click on Academics and go to the O. Kelly Library tab, it takes me to the database link. So this is where you search for the databases that you want to use to locate your references to support your research question. So for example, our question was, what student characteristics and/or predictive variables correlated with successful completion of Level 2 fieldwork? So you can search by subject or even by title, but I'm going to go ahead and use one that I came to rely on pretty heavily because this has a lot of medical articles and things like that that would relate to the question. So here you have your basic search where you can type in, search for journals or keywords, but I like to go to this advanced search option. And here you type in specific keywords that you think will refine your search. Using this AND option, all these keywords are going to be used in the results. So this just refines our search, and I want to make sure that all these components are going to be in the articles that up here. So here I like to click full text to limit your results even further. There are many options that you can choose. I like to choose the research article to make sure I'm getting what I'm searching for. If you want to use randomized controlled trials, for example, or even if you just wanted to choose the abstracts, you can choose that option as well. So we're just going to click search. So for example, we're going to take this first article and examine it a little bit. You have your full text, so that's great. It's from the Open Journal of Occupational Therapy, and it is pretty recent evidence, so that's great as well. Looks like it's from a solid source. If you read a little bit about the abstract, it looks like it fits our research question as it explores the relationship of perceived self-efficacy and fieldwork experiences. So this looks like a great example to use. So we're just going to export, and it's going to go directly to RefWorks. So I'm already signed in to my RefWorks, but you might have to sign in using your Winston-Salem State ID or even sign up. But you're just going to click on this left option here, and it's going to take you straight to my RefWorks account. So here we see the import references was completed, and our reference has been imported. So this is a great tool to use to, upload all your references into one place and organize them effectively so that when you are writing a manuscript or a literature review, you have them all in the same place. So this is a great tool to organize and utilize as you are completing research. So here we have our reference uploaded with all the information that we need. If we want to organize this and put it all in a folder, we can click New Folder. Say we want to name it ePortfolio and create. So here's our folder created. Say we want to transfer this article reference to the folder to organize it all in one place. So we can just click on ePortfolio, and it says complete. So we click on our folder, and there it is in the folder. So this just makes sure all your references, so when you've accumulated, 20 plus references for this huge project you're working on, they're all going to be in the same folder, which is a really great tool to use. So say you want to create a bibliography now that you've found all your sources. You can click an output style, which is helpful. We're going to use the APA 6th edition. And then you just create your bibliography. And you have your reference page. So once you've accumulated, like I said, 20 plus references, they're all going to be in this one page already cited for you. So thank you for listening to this screen recording. I hope you've gained insight to the skills that I've acquired as a graduate assistant, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this portfolio. Thank you.